Can you sing it to him again?
Happy birthday,
You singing to him? You singing happy birthday to Chopper?
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Happy birthday.
You gonna wrap yourself up? You are the best present ever, though.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy. Yay! To birthday.
He's bringing Chopper a present? That's so nice of you. No, we're not going to open it. No, Mason.
They're mine.
They are yours, but we're not opening them. That was nice of you to sing happy birthday to Chopper, though. Uh-oh. Careful.
Me.
Excuse me. Putting them back? Thank you.
Yes. More.
You gonna rewrap it for Mommy? Careful. No. Let's leave them there. Leave them there. Mason, no touch.